Imagine waking up every morning knowing that you have the freedom to work from home on your own terms and be able to make enough money, not to just survive, but to thrive. What if I told you that there's a simple AI business model that hundreds of others have used to achieve exactly that? And it's the same exact business that I use to work from home on my own terms. And the best part, you don't need any prior marketing experience, any tech skills, or to have some large following on social media. Now, I'm not here to sell you something because I know what it feels like to feel stuck in a rut, having tried multiple side hustles that promise you the world and honestly, at the end of the day, deliver nothing. And that's why in this video, I want to show you something real that actually works. And if you just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, I'll share with you my brand new free AI workshop, plus all of my templates and scripts to get this business model started, even if you're a total beginner. There's no hidden paywalls or upsells for coaching or anything like that. So just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, consider sharing this video with a friend who might also find this valuable. And with that said, let me jump onto my computer so I can show you exactly what this business model is, how it works, how to get your first clients, how to fulfill for those clients, and how to scale this from working from the comfort of your own home. All right, so here's my AI business in a nutshell. What we're gonna be doing is finding small local businesses, which I'm gonna show you guys here how to do this step by step using simple AI tools that are free to use, and it doesn't require any money or paid advertising to get started. And more specifically, we're gonna find small local business owners that do not have a website. And the crazy thing is that studies show that 28 to 31%, or let's just call it 30% of small local business owners, or 1 out of every 3, do not have a website, which is absolutely insane. And so what we're gonna do to get our foot in the door is we're gonna reach out with a simple script that I'll show you guys here in just a second, offering them a free website. And if you're like, well, I don't know how to build a free website, we're going to have AI do all the heavy lifting for us here. And I'll show you all that step by step here in just a second. And then once they say yes to the free website, we're going to offer them a simple AI upgrade. And let me just move my header here and then charge them anywhere from $300, $400, even $500 per month per client. And they're going to continue to pay us this amount because the AI adds massive value to their business. And so they're not going to want to cancel because this AI is helping them generate more leads, book more appointments, and ultimately grow their business. So in order to make this as simple as possible for you, I went ahead and I built this simple AI app right here, which I'm not trying to sell this. You can't even actually buy this. But if you smash the like button, drop a comment down below, join my free AI workshop, I'm going to show you guys how to get access to all of this 100% for free, plus my courses, templates, scripts, a free community where others are building this exact business model, everything step by step. So don't worry, I'm not trying to go through and do a hard sell. I'm just showing you how I've made this so much easier after having worked with over 15,000 paying clients. So what this AI app actually does is it's going to find local businesses without a website. Okay, that was step one. We got to find some clients. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we can select any industry that we want. Plumbers, roofers, electricians, HVAC, lawn care. It doesn't really matter which industry we want to go through and work with, okay? So for this example, we're just going to choose plumbers. And then this is tied in with Google Maps. So instead of going to Google Maps and typing in, hey, a plumber near me or a plumber in Dallas, Texas, with this, you just type in a city and it's going to automatically scan that city for plumbers without a website. So for this example, this is kind of the example I always use, but Bentonville, Arkansas, the home of Walmart. Then we're just going to click on Find Prospects right here. And you can see right here, it's scanning Google Maps listings. It's finding the businesses that do not have a website. It's pulling all their contact information. And in a matter of seconds, it gives us a list of all the businesses' names, their phone numbers, their address, their Google My Business profile review ratings, the Google My Business profile link, which we're going to use here in just a second. And then check this out. It automatically built a website for us. So this Valley Pro Plumbing Co., okay, they do not have a website. It said they found 17 total plumbers in this area, 11 of which did not have a website, which is absolutely crazy. Okay, so now we just click on this, the view site, and it's already automatically built and customized to this business. I mean, how crazy is this? You don't have to be a website designer. You don't have to have any crazy marketing experience or technical skills because I've already pre-programmed the AI app to do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. So it's already got their name on it. If you click on call now, it's got their phone number 100% built into the website. It's got Bentonville, Arkansas for some SEO for specific to the city, right? And it's got their address. It's got everything that you would need. And this is what we're going to use to reach out to these small business owners. So now that we have this list right here, what we're going to do is we're going to use a simple script. And this is the simple script that I put together for you. It literally has all of the objections, anything that the business owner might say, and it shows you word for word exactly what to say when you call this person. And even if they don't answer their phone call, how to follow up via email and SMS. And the cool thing is our AI employees that I've built actually will do a lot of the automated email and text marketing follow-up for you if the person does not answer the phone call immediately, which studies show 62% of small business owners miss incoming calls. So more than likely, they probably won't answer your phone call anyway. Okay, so once we get them on the phone, we say, hey, John, or whatever the business owner's name is, I was looking for plumbers in Bentonville, Arkansas, and found you, but I noticed you don't have a website. So I went ahead and built one for you. Would you like to see it? Okay. And then from there, they're going to probably be like, yes or no, or like, hey, how did you find my contact information? How do you know I don't have a website? And it just walks you through like, hey, that's all good. I was just on Google. I searched up your business, found your business, but saw you don't have a website. And so you kind of just break that down. And then once they say yes, that is when you send them the website that was automatically built by AI. And the reason why we want to do this is instead of leading with a sales pitch, we're leading with massive value. So they're getting value. They're seeing their business name on the website. They're seeing this professionally designed, their phone number, their address. It's got their Google reviews on it. It's got their city, their state. And so they're like, oh, wow, this is actually pretty legit. Yes, I would love to have this. And then what we do is we then kind of transition the call in this script, and it walks through everything step by step, which, like I said, if you just comment down below, even in the description, there's a link to this free AI workshop that's going to break all this down even in more detail, give you the scripts, the templates, the free course, community, everything that you're going to need to help build this business. So once they say yes to the free website, then the script is going to walk us through the AI upgrade. And what I like to do is I like to offer the AI upgrade for a free 7-day trial just for them to try it out. Okay. And they'll let them know, hey, it's going to be $300 per month, but let's just try it out. Let me just go through and implement this into your business. Now, you might be watching this and thinking, well, Jason, I don't know anything about AI. I'm totally new. And so I don't know how to set anything up with AI. But don't worry, I got you. So all we're going to do here is we're just going to scroll down and we're just going to copy their Google My Business profile link. We're going to come over here to this other onboarding AI employee that I built, which once again, it's all free. I show you guys everything inside of that free workshop. And then I'm just going to paste their Google My Business profile link right here. And it's going to say scan business profile. So it's searching for the business. Okay, it found the business. And then all I do is click on onboard client. So now it's creating a sub account inside of our AI software, which I'll show you here in a second. It's importing the business profile, building a professional website, AI chat widget, voice AI receptionist, missed call text back, creating appointment calendars, review automations for them, the lead pipeline, follow-up sequences, the unified inbox, running final diagnostics. And check this out. In a matter of 18 seconds, it built all of this for us. So that is the cool thing about AI nowadays is AI can not only help us find prospects for next to nothing, but then it can also help us build the website, build the deliverable. And then as far as setting up the client, it can go through and set it up a majority of all this heavy lifting for us. Now you might be thinking, well, Jason, if this is so easy, why wouldn't the client go through and do this? And that is a fair question because I've been asked that a number of times. But the truth is, after having worked with over 15,000 small business owners myself, I can tell you that they do not want to learn this themselves. Even as simple as it is, even if it said, hey, click this button and then you'll have all this set up, they want to focus on what they do best. They want to focus on their business. They do not want to do any of this. They want you to do it for them. And that is where this opportunity sits. And then you can see all of this for a total value of $2,800 per month. And that's where we could charge $300, $400, even $500 per month with no questions from the business because we are creating immense value. And then on top of that, we can go through, click right here, and this is going to open up the client dashboard where this was all just built out in a matter of seconds. And the cool thing about this software right here is you can white label it for your own business, which means you can connect your own domain, put your own logo up here, connect your own payment processor, so you get to keep 100% of the payments. And the cool thing about this software is it doesn't cost you any more to bring on 10 clients, 20 clients, 50, 100, 1,000 clients. You will never pay more money for those additional clients that you bring on. So if you think about it, if you're charging $300 per month and brought on 5 clients, you can do the math there, right? 10 clients, 20 clients. And the best thing about this business model is it's all based around monthly recurring software subscriptions, which means you don't start from zero at the beginning of every single month. So if you sign up a client right now and you bring them on, they become a paying client and they see value, well, guess what? The next month on the same date, their subscription is going to process while you are focusing on getting more clients. Think about it like Netflix, right? You keep paying, and when you keep paying, you get access to all of the content. You're receiving value. And once you stop paying, you stop getting that content, you stop getting that value. It's the same thing with this software subscription with these small business owners. And inside that free workshop, and even down below in the description, I have an extended 30-day free trial to this software right here. It's normally a 14-day free trial. I am friends with the founders, so they hooked me up with a 30-day extended free trial so you can jump on, get your business set up, connect your own logo, your own domain, your own payment processor so you can start bringing on clients. And right now, they're actually offering a special promo where till the end of summer, they are offering free AI all summer. 5 AI tools, all 100% for free, unlimited use. You don't have to pay anything extra. And so this is an absolute no-brainer to jump in and get started. Start using these AI tools. So there you have it, a very simple way to start your own AI business, selling AI to these small local businesses. I showed you exactly how to find these small local businesses. I gave you the script that we're going to be using when we're reaching out to the businesses. And then once they say yes, I showed you step by step how we can copy and paste, onboard these clients in a matter of seconds. And then my favorite part is being able to white label a pre-built, proven software where you don't have to do any of the coding. You don't have to even go into Claude Code and build something from scratch that's unproven to an unproven market with unproven price points. This whole model, it's all been proven, and it's been proven by thousands of people across hundreds of thousands of small business owners. So if I was starting something completely new from scratch, I would much rather follow a proven format before trying to go through and be creative myself and create something out of thin air and just hope that it would work. So once again, if you guys want to attend that brand new free AI workshop, the link is down in the description. It will also get you access to my free community, all of my courses, templates, scripts, everything that you need to get started, plus an extended 30-day free trial to this software that I just showed you. And like I said, from now until the end of summer, I think it's the end of August, you get unlimited free AI usage of their AI tools, which is absolutely amazing. You don't have to pay anything extra to be able to bring on more clients, help onboard those clients, and fulfill for those clients so they'll stay with you long term.